Hey guys, Cassie here from Zappos.com, and we are checking out Hudson from Sherpani. This bag right here, sharp, clean, modern, it's versatile. You can carry it as a backpack or as a crossbody. There's a top carrying handle right here as well as a crossbody strap. You have several different ways in which you can tote this great bag. Now here we have 3 compartments that stow all of your essentials. It also has an area in the back that transfers into a sleeve that you can add to your luggage. Now the front is additional storage, and each compartment has really nice organizational panels here so that you can find all of your stuff in a timely manner. Just look at all that clean, very, very well thought out, well placed areas for pockets. And in the back here we have a 15-inch laptop sleeve and a really nice kind of padded back, so it'll help keep it safe and keep your back nice and comfy. Stay covered at all angles with this bag today.